Hello friends, this is Shashikant and today's video is related to MHAAC CET 2008, which was held on 3rd June 2008, and the maximum marks were only 20. Question number 1. You can get color green by mixing A. red and black, B. yellow and blue, C. red and yellow, D. red and blue. So the correct answer is B. yellow and blue. Question number 2. Color red suggests A. sorrow, B. danger, C. happiness, D. sleep. So the correct answer is B. danger. Question number 3. Which one of the following is not a primary color? A. red, B. blue, C. black, D. yellow. The correct answer is C. black. Question number 4. Joins 2 points by shortest distance. A straight line, B. a curved line, C. a zigzag line, D. a jagged line. So the correct answer is A. straight line. Question number 5. Which one of the following is not a basic shape? A. rectangle, B. square, C. triangle, and D. circle. So what I can say here, all are the basic shapes. I don't know what's the answer. If you know the answer, please let me know in the comment. Question number 6. A serif is a part of A. letter form, B. chair, C. shelf, D. table. And the correct answer is A. letter form. Question number 7. Interior designer designs A. homes, B. crockery, C. dresses that can be used inside a house, and D. software. So the correct answer is A. homes. Question number 8. The softest grade pencil is A. HB, B. CH, C. 6H, D. B. So the correct answer is C. 6B. Question number 9. M.F. Hussain is a well-known A. painter, B. singer, C. actor, D. political leader. Correct answer is A. painter. Question number 10. Elephanta caves are situated near A. Nagpur, B. Mumbai, C. Aurangabad, D. Pune. And the correct answer is B. Mumbai. Question number 11. Ajanta caves are situated near A. wall painting of Padmapani Bodhisattva, B. sculpture of Trimurti, C. Kailash temple, D. miniature paintings. Here little bit confused. I also don't know what they want to ask. That question is actually wrong. Ajanta caves are situated near, so there is no city they have given here in the option. So as we know, Ajanta caves are near this Aurangabad city of Maharashtra, as well as that first option, wall paintings of Padmapani Bodhisattva, which are in cave number 1 in Ajanta caves only itself. The second one option, sculpture of Trimurti, which is in Elephanta, and C. Kailash temple, which is in Ellora caves, means near Ellora caves, and D. miniature painting. That option can't be correct, means it's not having any scope here. So the correct answer may be Kailash temple, because Kailash temple is in Ellora and Ajanta caves and Ellora caves are nearby. So that's why I feel like Kailash temple might be the right answer, what they are expecting with this wrong question. Let it be like that. If you know the correct answer, please suggest me in the comments below. Question number 12. Varli painting is A. tribal art of Goa, B. tribal art of Madhya Pradesh, C. tribal art of Maharashtra, D. tribal art of Karnataka. So the correct answer is C. tribal art of Maharashtra. Question number 13. The degree BFA stands for A. Bachelor of Fine Art, B. Bachelor of French Art, C. Bachelor of Fine Academy, and D. Bachelor of free art, and the correct answer is A, Bachelor of Fine Art. Question number 14. Calligraphy is an art of A, beautiful colors, B, beautiful handwriting, C, mask making, D, creating cartoons. And the correct answer is B, beautiful handwritings. Question number 15. Which software is used for generating images? A, PageMaker, B, Microsoft Office, C, CorelDRAW, D, Microsoft Word. So correct answer is C, CorelDRAW. Question number 16. Which shape given below suggests direction? A, you have to see these options actually and choose the correct one, and the correct answer is C, this arrow which suggests the direction. Question number 17. Which shape given below is not a religious symbol? Again you have to see these options, and then the right answer is C, this flag, which is not a religious symbol. You can add any color into it. Question number 18. Restaurant is suggested by this symbol. So you have to see all these options. 4 options are there, and the correct answer is A. Question number 19. Which one of the following symbols can suggest communication through visual senses? You have to see all these options, and then the correct answer is C, this eye symbol, because eye is a medium of communication through visual senses, I guess. So question number 20. The symbol pigeon suggests here A, sky, B, peace, C, air, D, religion. And the correct answer is B, peace.